Hi everybody, welcome back. So in this video I'll be sharing some design tips where you can apply some cool shapes other than square, rectangle, oval, triangle, circle, or maybe other polygons in CorelDraw. So in CorelDraw there are several more cool shapes that you can apply by clicking on the common shape tool just like this. The default is this parallelogram. So if we drag the cursor, a parallelogram is formed just like this. Well, you can even adjust the slant amount by clicking on shape tool and then drag this red diamond icon just like this. Yeah, this is cool. You can even add a trapezoid. Click on the trapezoid and then hold on. Click on the trapezoid and then drag it just like this, and then you can even adjust the slant amount of the trapezoid as well, just like this. Now it's easy. The other shape that you can apply is this magnet looking shape, which is actually arc. And then if we hold the control key on your keyboard just like this, we can adjust the curvature and the thickness by dragging the red diamond icon just like so. We can do some adjustments by copying it just like this, and maybe do some other adjustments such as the curvature and the thickness of the arc just like so, maybe. And then we can do it just like this. This is just like a pie chart, but it's way faster, just like so. Easy, isn't it? And it looks cool too. Yeah, maybe it looks like this. Isn't it cool? And then the other shape that you can apply is arrow. It looks like this. You can even adjust the triangle, the position of the triangle as the arrowhead, and the rectangle part of the arrow, just like this. And then you can even do it just like this. Then you can adjust the thickness of the arrow by dragging the red diamond icon just like so. The other shape that you can put is triangle, a chat box just like this. A chat box. That's really necessary so that you don't have to design your own chat box using some curves, and it may not look perfect because it has some imbalance between this node and the other one. Maybe the line, the curviness of the line with another line which is not curvaceous enough. That's to say, you can even add some banner shape from coat of arms, just like this, for example, by clicking on this, and then you just do it just like this, and then you're all done. So that's probably it. That's how you can add some cool shapes other than rectangle, square, circle, triangle, or other polygons in CorelDraw. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.